everybody, what is happening? It's Bill with Franklin Loan Center, and hey, it's all over the news today, and been seeing it for the last couple of days, I guess, is that mortgage rates just hit a 4-month low. So what the heck's going on? Why are we seeing rates come down? Well, the answer is it really all started on Friday with a really bad jobs number that came in. It was not only because the way the jobs number comes out, it says what the previous month's job creations number, that's the main number everybody pays attention to, is how many jobs are created, and then it makes revisions to the previous 2 months, right? So it takes so the headline came out worse than expected, and then it revised the 2 prior months collectively down almost 260,000 jobs, right? And so it just makes the last 3 months look terrible as far as job creation. And that's good for interest rates, right? So, I mean, I hate to be that guy, but hey, bad jobs numbers equals better interest rates. We've been saying that for a long time, right? So, it of course begs the question, is now the time to buy, right? So, and no one knows. I mean, who knows what's going to happen next? I mean, it does sound like, I would like to think that what just happened, there's still more data to come out before the Fed meets again next month in September. But assuming it comes in anywhere close to this, I mean, it makes a reduction in rates from the Fed and almost a given. And we're already seeing things kind of, again, mortgage rates sort of head in that direction. So it's really important to realize that, hey, nobody really knows. So if you're thinking about buying or refinancing right now, you're gonna see the best rates you've seen. Really, I mean, it's since 4 months since we've been at this level, but we're like right there. I mean, if we get any better at all, we're going to be back to September of last year, and it could be the opportunity, because like I've been saying for a long time, I mean, if you see rates, nobody knows this number. I keep hearing low 6s or even high 5s. If we see the 30-year fixed rates heading in that direction, well, I mean, it's likely to spark a bunch of buyers, which is going to drive prices up, right? So lots to think about. Look, the timing is right when you can afford it. You cannot wait for some weird trigger in interest rates if you're looking to buy a house, because it just might not come, So, and then you can refinance later if it comes and gets even better, whatever. I mean, that's just the way this business works. I did it with my own mortgages back a couple years ago during COVID. So, anyway, just wanted to throw that out there today. Look, bad jobs numbers equal good news for interest rates. You've heard me say this 100 times. I'm optimistically pessimistic about the market always, and because of bad markets, a bad economic data is good for mortgage rates. So anyway, I guess I am that guy. So that's all I have this week. You want to talk about whether or not it makes sense for you to buy or refinance right now? There's definitely some refinance opportunities starting to show their heads. Please give me a call. I'd love to catch up with you on it. I'm Bill. I'm with Franklin Loan Center, and I'll see you all next week.